Northern Lights Leeds has returned for 2025. Join us as we explore this 1-hour Christmas light trail featuring beautiful and majestic light displays and find out if Northern Lights Leeds is worth your money this festive season. So we're starting off the trail in Glitter Ball Grove, where you're walking down tons of glitter balls. But a light trail that has smoke effects. How cool is that? This is really cool, isn't it?
Yeah. I just think, how have they managed to climb up the tree and install all of those lights on the...
It's crazy, isn't it? And it kind of reminds me of Avatar, which I don't think you've seen yet, but it's like the tree of life.
Well,
I don't particularly know how far through the trail we are, but so far it's been fantastic. And to say this only costs £15 a person and £5 for a child, it's a really good price. This is trippy. This is so cool. That's such a cool effect, mate. This feels very Last of Us. That's so nice. Quite cool. They've taken drawings from a load of kids and they project them onto this last little walkway as like a thank you to Northern Lights Leeds. I bet if you're a kid and you've drawn one of them and you come past and see it, you're going to be well made up. Right, and that's us done with the main light trail, and you come straight out into like a street food area. You've got a big wheel and a mini train roller coaster to go on, but I think for £15 that was absolutely smashing. When you compare it to the 40 odd pounds you can be paying at other places, there's a lot in that and it's growing each year. But we're going to grab some food and then we'll let you know his full thoughts. Right, well that's us done for Northern Lights Leeds here at Temple Newsham, and that, if I do say so myself, was an absolutely brilliant light trail. £15 a person it cost and £4 for Henry, so that's only £34. There is parking on top of that, but less than £43 it cost for all three of us to come here and experience this. They've got unique immersive light installations all around, like the mycelium that you saw. The lily on the lake looked incredible. For the price that you pay, this is wonderful. Really am impressed with what they've done here. Now, if you've liked the video, by all means, hit the like button for me. Comment down below whether you've been and what you've thought. Is it better than in previous years? And then if you could do me a massive favour, we're on the way to 3,000 subscribers. If you could hit the subscribe button for me, it would be very much appreciated and cost you nothing. With that being said, I'll catch you on the next one. Goodbye.
Ride with Judventures, you know the name. Theme parks and attractions and kick-ass days. You got the big bearded husband, a beautiful blonde wife, and a cool young lad just living their best life. I'm the guy with the camera, beer game strong. Catch me in a scare maze, come scream along. News and reviews, I'm dropping the facts. Ride POVs and honest reacts. So follow the journey from scare to scream. Judventures, baby, let's live the dream.